if you're gonna
So what's up, guys? My name is Lustrach, and today I'm here playing Sogun deathmatch on the map ships.
yeah,
Oh yeah, sorry guys.
one and you're
The last intro I did wasn't really recording at all. It wasn't
don't
recording.
stop killing yourself.
Oh what?
I'm taking.
You shouldn't take it easy on anybody. If he's Sergio, he should die. Kill Sergi. Oh,
We are
fuck you.
recording. Oh god, no, you bitch!
Killed yourself. Yeah, you lost the kill. Yeah, you lost the kill. Oh god. Yeah.
Because the first one we couldn't hear.
Oh. Oh. Aw.
Eddie, come back, Eddie, come back.
Dude, he spawned. I think he spawned with half the hearts. Shit, man. Where are you? Where are you?
No.
Fuck you. Still here.
If he. Oh, damn! Where's Ricardo?
Wait a second.
Oh, you bitch!
I'm just gonna keep trolling.
Yes, do that in case. In case. Oh god.
Bitch.
Exactly, Sergio.
The fuck does FMO mean?
You know what that means?
I don't know what that means.
It means fuck my life.
Oh, okay. You asshole.
Oh my god. Sergio, use the alien gun, remember, Sergio. Use your skills.
Oh, too bad. Too bad, little boy.
Alright, guard. Where is...
Yeah. For some reason, it's not lagging as much as usual, so I'm thinking I'm gonna be.
Fuck you! Right in that.
Yeah.
Too bad your little score streak is gonna end right now.
Fuck you.
Well, because
God
you
damn
keep
it.
killing yourself. When you kill yourself, you lose your kill. Oh, no, it's not.
Bitch.
Yeah, but
Sergio's so bad with the controls.
you shouldn't
Oh, damn it.
yourself because
Too
you're gonna
bad.
lose the kills that you had.
Yep.
No, Ricardo, you bitch! Is he winning? Okay, he's not winning.
Damn.
I'm winning.
Fuck
And I'm gonna
you.
keep anyway.
Damn it. I was so close. Damn. Shit, man. Oh, God. I just fucking pushed him off the island. That was so awesome. I love that so much, you son of a bitch.
Hey, so I'm on that island.
You motherfucker. Sergio. Fuck you. Bro. Frost. Frost. Oh, fuck you.
You have 3 kills, Ricardo. You have 3 kills now. Bye-bye,
Oh,
Ricardo.
yeah, too bad.
No,
I have no kills.
you neither of you have kills. Well,
Okay, so we.
no.
Sergio, be good at this. God damn it, Sergio, be good at this. Oh, God. Oh, God. chest.
I think the next time we record, we don't need Serio in the lobby.
No, we
then
can't
you
kick him
don't-
out. We can't kick him out.
There, I started this channel with Ricardo, and then I brought you along.
I mean, like, we can include Sergio in the call, but the only thing that's gonna help him,
Yeah, but
we can
Sergio,
include
this
him in the
doesn't
YouTube
matter.
channel, but not in the lobby.
Even if you add me to the channel, Ricardo and I are the one more recording because all you do is just kill yourself.
Damn.
I don't kill myself. I just keep tripping on the rain.
Sergio. Hup.
It's unbelievable.
Fuck. Damn it.
Take me for granted.
Where are you? Where's Ricardo at? Oh,
Oh, where, when, how are you? Bye.
that's the line.
I heard rumors.
Fuck you.
I heard rumors you want to kick me out of the channel.
Where the fuck are you?
I said that if we're gonna delete you from some of the videos if you're just gonna keep killing yourself.
We can't delete him from the videos. You're just gonna. It's good.
Nobody, no.
Frost lost some of his kills. Frost, you little dick.
Then get over here. I gotta get the perfect shot at you. Perfect shot.
Too bad.
You quickly change guns. The base gun, no, I did. I gotta switch guns. Let's see here. Oh yeah.
Damn it. Fuck you. You do realize that I'm not really playing with the best I've got. I'm just trying to push all of you off, and that's all I'm doing.
Yes, we're gonna lose. I stand for America, so that means you hate him.
Fuck you.
Oh.
Too bad.
Oh.
Oh, damn it!
This gun's OP.
I was gonna fucking kill myself. What asshole you are.
Every time I play with you, every time I play with you two, it's
Yeah.
just recoil.
I'm trying to kill myself.
You know what? If he goes, you have beautiful. You have beautiful, especially me. You take me out, Tom.
Are you even in the game? Why are you, Sergio? Oh God.
Whoa. Yeah.
I'm done with that crap, you know? I'm tired of him. I'm tired of him. And
I am you, Ricardo. Get the fuck
Oh,
back here.
I feel like, you know,
where the fuck am I?
it's uncontrollable.
The spawn kills are horrible in this game. Like,
Like,
they are too overpowered.
imagine the rage I had. That
Woo!
I started to
Oh, too bad.
The wizard won. I'm a wizard.
Sergi doesn't have half a kill.
I'm a wizard. Let's see here.
Yeah.
Ooh, the cherry bomb. I'm just gonna knock you off this thing. Bye bye, Ricardo. Come on, Ricardo. Come on.
Fuck you.
Where are you, Sergio? Oh, I know where you are, you little boy.
Fuck you.
You were on top, and you were like on the
Fuck
flag.
you. Fuck you. Damn it.
Oh, damn. 260 no scope. Hashtag face.
Motherfucker.
Where the fuck are you?
You mean motherfucker.
Serio. As soon as you said, as soon as you said, I like it up here. Oh, how? How do I miss that?
What
I
the
killed
fuck?
myself to prevent from getting a kill from
What the
you.
fuck is that?
It doesn't matter, you're gonna die.
I just saw a little tiny head.
Serio, drop the beats. No, please.
Woo!
Where the fuck are you?
I don't know. Fuck you.
Bye bye. Fucking ass. Hello, Ricardo.
Yeah,
Hello, Ricardo.
not really caring about it anymore.
Oh, I fucking see the. Hey! Have you ever seen Angel in
I,
Disguise?
I was reloading while you killed me, so that counts.
Have you seen the new Angel in Disguise? The answer is you're gonna rage right now.
Sergi, you can't walk on air. You're not Katy Perry.
No, please.
Fuck you.
Oh,
Damn.
damn, I got the kill.
That's kind of a dick move, don't you
No,
think?
you're not emo. Well, you are,
What an ass!
you're inside emo.
Sergio, start killing yourself as much as you can so that Diego does not get any kills. Sergio, directly kill yourself as much as you can so that he does not get any kills.
What the fuck? You didn't know that I'm going to get the kills, right? Serio, come back here. Serio, man. Serio. Shit. Hey, what you doing over there? What you doing?
Fuck! Damn it!
What you doing? What you doing?
Fuck you!
I'm gonna use the powerful gift.
Damn it, Sergi Beast. Sergi Beast, kill yourself as much as you can. Stop being so bad at this
Time
game.
to kill Ricardo. Oh god, fucking shit.
Fuck you. Damn. Sergi, start
There's
killing yourself as
Sergio.
much as you can.
Now where
Sergi,
is
start
now
killing
where
yourself
is
as much as you
Ricardo?
can. Dumbass.
Where is Ricardo?
If you don't, you're gonna get
Okay,
kills for
okay, I won't
Diego.
kill you.
And
I'll
you
kill
don't.
Ricardo. Where's
Diego
Ricardo?
does not need any kills.
There's Ricardo. There's Ricardo. Let me just get my minigun and end this up. Come on, Ricardo. Just stop.
Damn it, no.
Fucking dick.
No!
Do you think
Fuck
that you could
you!
possibly end? Do you think that I will not end this game? Hello, Sergio.
Damn it! You son of a bitch.
That's the end of the video.
So, thanks for watching, guys. Like if you did, comment what you're thinking, and subscribe for more.